The format will be Shoaib will read a statement. Once he's read that statement, we will take questions in the usual fashion. We've got microphones on both sides of the room, so please just raise your hand. I'll point to you. The microphone will come round in that usual orderly fashion, if that's okay. Photographers, are you happy? Cameras, are you all rolling? Thumbs up? Yep. All rolling?
Can I go?
Okay, show it.
Okay. Since I'm not very good in speeches, so I've written down, so let's see how it goes. Dear friends, thanks for being around. Today, I step ahead from a most significant phase of my life and walk forward. I have decided to say goodbye. This World Cup is my last, and the coming matches in the tournament would be last few of my international career. Mentally, I wanted to continue, perhaps forever. But I must make way for the youngsters to take over. In my entire career of 18 years, I have had many defeats, but countless victories. I have made a lot of friends and won't hesitate to say some misunderstood me. I can't say I have any regrets. It's been an excellent run. I really thought I would make it another time, though touched 159.9 miles per hour a few days back, right here in Colombo. But now I want to wait for it to be taken over. With this announcement, it feels like it's my first death. My retirement, my able to play for Pakistan, was a dream come true for me. This dream was made beautiful and exciting because of love and affection of my fans. I want to thank all my fans back home and around the world from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank my board, my dear Pakistan Cricket Board, for the opportunity. I want to thank all the players who worked with me and those who played against, and also those who were loyal to those who were disloyal. I want to thank the sponsors who always believed in me. And lastly, to my family, my Abu, my Ammi, my brothers, and my dear sister, for all their prayers and blessing. I thank you very much.
Rashid, starting with you.
चंद रोज़ पहले आपने कहा था कि ये आपका जो सीनियर खिलाड़ी हैं ऑब्वियसली आखिरी वर्ल्ड कप है, लेकिन आपने कहा था कि अभी आप में क्रिकेट बाकी है और कुछ अर्सा आप खेल सकते हैं और जब भी जाएंगे आप इज्जत से जाएंगे। तो अचानक फिर आपने ये फैसला क्यों किया कि आप इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट आपने कहा कि मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ?
Look, I've decided this moment.
उर्दू में जवाब देते थोड़ा सा।
I've decided this moment about 2 years back, and when I was going through my knee surgery for the 4 times, and I made that decision on the bet that I'm going to play this World Cup and I'm going to play the part as much as possible for the Pakistan team. And I made that decision then and there. And secondly, the news broken out that the 2 of the Pakistani players has been involved in such matter. And that's where I felt the most that I should be able to help Pakistan, should be able to concentrate my fitness and get back in a side and help Pakistan. So that decision been made about a couple of years ago and about a year ago. But I must make way for the youngsters
Osman,
to take over.
Osman and then here. Osman, just... Osman and then...
Shoaib? Over here.
Yeah.
After so many years, ultimately, are you satisfied with the way your career has gone? Because you missed more than half the tests Pakistan played in the time that you were there, and with all the controversy surrounding it, do you feel like you did what you could have done, the maximum with what you had?
As it is, playing for my country was just a dream. I thought it would never come true. I would only hope that I could ever play with the people I admire. As it is, it was such a great thing to make a debut from a Pakistan team. It was an honor, it was a pleasure. If I ever born again, I would do the same thing. But my injuries, my hypermobility in my joints has cost me a lot of test matches. But whenever I had a chance, even in the niggles and during the pain and the most horrifying days of my pains that I had, I still never said no to Pakistan. I always wanted to make myself available. I always wanted to be there for my country as much as possible. So there are no regrets, except few, but you see, I have countless victories. I have countless memorized moments that bowling Sachin out on first ball, getting Dravid out, playing with Waqar and Wasim was the dream, and serving the greatest nation on the planet. Being as a Pakistani, playing for my country, what could have asked for more? Yes, it was a dream.
शोएब, एक ऐसा बच्चा जिसको डॉक्टर्स ने बचपन में अनफिट करार दिया, उसने दुनिया का तेज तरीन बॉलर होने का आज़ाद हासिल किया, जिसके मुतालिक तनाज़ात में भी काफ़ी कुछ कहा गया, कम बैक किया, वर्ल्ड कप में आया और आखिर में पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड को माय डियर जिस अंदाज में कहा, कुछ हक़ाइक़ क्या आप वर्ल्ड कप के बाद बताएंगे और क्या प्लानिंग है आपकी? आपने 13 साल पाकिस्तान की खिदमत की है, कोचिंग करना पसंद करेंगे, कमेंट्री करना पसंद करेंगे, एकेडमी बनाएंगे, क्या सोच रखा है कुछ दिन में आपने?
But so far what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to spend time with my family, with my parents and with my family, because I haven't been with my family for the last 14 years. For that matter, I think for 18 years. I dearly miss my family a lot.